This creative sculpture technique adds harmony, texture, and is stretched to fit while keeping the shape in balance. Divide the hair into 7 sections as shown. Create a soft, concave parting at the lower nape. Using a razor, create the first guideline by lifting a vertical section and holding your fingers at a 45-degree angle. Working toward the side, over-direct each subsequent section toward the original guide in order to increase the length. Mirror the other side by positioning your fingers parallel to the diagonal parting. Use the razor over comb technique to infuse softness to the cut by holding the razor and comb horizontally. Start at the occipital bone and slowly work toward the nape. The next section is cut at a 45-degree angle and connected to the nape area. Move the razor from bottom to top. Leave the perimeter of the nape out. Gather the remaining hair to the center of the stationary guideline and remove any excess hair. Mirror the same technique on the other side, keeping your fingertips facing upwards. Over-direct the sides to the back of the nape for even distribution. Use the razor from the back to the front, creating a graduated length towards the front. Repeat step 10 on the opposite side of the head. Using your stationary guide, begin blending the 2 sections using the notching technique with your razor. Razor the hair from short to long in diagonal sections. Comb through the hair to distribute the fringe evenly with the shortest side. Move the razor in an arching motion from short to long. Place the razor at the side of the section to create maximum force to control the direction.